In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Crypto.com, so you can deposit dollars or euros straight from your bank account. So first go ahead and open the app. Then you will come right here in the home dashboard. And right here you can immediately see deposit. So go ahead and click on deposit. Then here you can either choose crypto or fiat. So I want to do fiat because I want to deposit my euros. So I'm going to click on fiat. Now as you can see, I need to submit some additional information. So click on submit now if you also have to do this. And then after doing that, they will verify your account. So as you can see, my verification is still pending. So now as you can see, the verification is complete. So now I'm going to click dismiss and click on fiat again. And now as you can see, I can deposit fiat. So now you first need to set up a new currency. So click on that, set up new currency. Then select the currency you want. So for me it's euro. Then click on I understand and agree to Euro Fiat wallet terms and conditions if you do. And then click on next. Then you will need to go through the verification process and the process of setting up the new currency. And that can take a few days to get accepted. And then after doing that, you will be able to deposit your money into your Crypto.com account.